Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to tap on About Phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see the information that you are in the developer mode. Confirm if needed with your screen lock. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now we can go back to the general settings and tap on the system. Let's enter and tap on developer options. And here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this automatic system update and tap on the switcher to turn it on. So from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted, so you do not have to remember about updating your device, however remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to apply the updates. Of course you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.